Have you ever noticed that when you're underneath the water and look up, everything above the surface looks blurry and far away? Well, if you're an archerfish, you'll be able to see just fine. Hi, I'm Shelby, and I'm studying the way these cunning creatures see. There are 7 species of archerfish in the world, 4 of which are in Australia. They generally live in murky waters and don't often grow bigger than 40 centimeters. Like most fish, the archerfish's eyes stick out on both sides of its head, giving it 360-degree vision. They can also move their eyes, which gives them binocular vision, which means they can see one thing with both eyes at the same time. But the most amazing thing about their vision is that it enables them to see both above and below the surface at the same time, allowing them to do what they do best. Archerfish catch prey by shooting jets of water at unsuspecting insects perched on low-lying branches. So how do they do that? Well, for starters, they can sneak up on their prey without being noticed because of their flattened bodies and their dull colors on their top sides. Once positioned close to their target, the archerfish's lips break the surface while the rest of their body remains underwater. Then they bring the water into their mouths through their gills, close their jaws and gills really quickly, forcing the water through a tiny valve at the tip of their mouth, shooting it out like an archer. Archerfish can spit up to 2 meters. They can even adjust the force of their spit for the size of the prey, and predict where the prey is going to fall so they can get there before anyone else. While archerfish have pinpoint accuracy, the most astounding thing is that they're able to correct for the refraction of light that distorts the image of their prey. Light travels at different speeds through different mediums like air and water. So as it hits the surface of the water, it slows down and bends. This is called refraction. Here, I'll show you what I mean. I poured some milk into this tank so you can see the light, and as I shine the laser across, you'll see how the light appears to bend as it reaches the surface of the water. So while objects above the surface are distorted by refraction, archerfish are still able to overcome this to capture the prey. So how do they do it? Well, we're still working on that one. My field of research is visual ecology, and we've been looking at how the archerfish have tuned their eyes to different types of light above and below the water. To do this, they actually see colors differently in different parts of their eyes. So we hope that one day we'll be able to discover how the archerfish have evolved these amazing adaptations that allow them to survive in these murky environments.